Did you know that one of history's greatest philosophies was born from complete financial ruin? Zeno of Citium was living the dream, a wealthy merchant sailing with a fortune in purple dye. Then pirates struck. His ship was destroyed, his cargo lost, everything gone. He washed up on the shores of Athens with absolutely nothing. Wandering broken through the streets, he stumbled into a small bookshop. Someone was reading aloud about Socrates. Those words hit him like lightning. For the first time, Zeno realized something profound. He had been chasing the wrong kind of wealth. He spent years studying under Crates the Cynic, learning that true riches come from wisdom, not possessions, that we cannot control what happens to us, only how we respond. Eventually, Zeno founded his own school called the Stoa. His teachings would guide Marcus Aurelius and millions of others for centuries. The philosophy that teaches us to find strength in struggle was born from one man's greatest loss. Sometimes your worst day becomes the world's greatest gift. Your setback might be someone else's breakthrough.